Hi, my name is Dana Logue, Railroad Product Manager at Therm Omega Tech, and today I'm here to talk to you about our Guru Rebuild Program. So what is the Guru Rebuild Program? Well, Therm Omega Tech's Rebuild Program allows our customers to return their used Gurus back to us to be cleaned, refurbished, and retested to like-new conditions to ensure optimal performance in the field for our customers, and we do this at a discounted price. Well, the characteristic tendency of the Guru actuator is to lose some small amount of stroke over time. So this causes the release temperature to creep upwards. And while this is a safe tendency in regards to your grease protection, it can result in some nuisance dumping. So we recommend changing your Guru out every 18 to 24 months to prevent this from happening. So how does the program work? Well, once your valves get to that 18 to 24 month period, simply return them back to us at our Warminster, Pennsylvania location. And what we do is once we get your purchase order, we will monitor the cores that come back, make sure everything matches up, and we'll begin working on your Guru valves. So what we do is we strip out all the internals, we replace them with a brand new actuator, brand new internal components. We're going to clean up that cartridge body and the hex nut, so it's very important for you to return your hex nuts back with the cartridge. And once everything is reassembled, it's going to go through our standard testing procedures that a brand new valve would go through. So essentially you're getting a brand new valve back at our rebuild prices. So how do you know when it's time to send your Gurus back in for rebuild? Well, to make it easy for our customers, we have created a color cap system. It's coded based on the year. So we have 5 colors that we rotate annually. So this year we are on our yellow color cap. So for older colors, it's an easy visual indicator that it's time to send them back in for rebuild. But if you're ever not sure, you can always check the top of the cap because we've laser marked the month and year of the manufacture date to make it easy for our customers to just double check. So for the Guru PC, we do offer replacement cartridge assembly kits, and these allow for easy inline maintenance in the field. It helps minimize downtime. So the kits include a new cartridge assembly with instructions on how to disassemble and reassemble your Guru cartridge. So to learn more about our Guru Rebuild Program, you can go ahead and visit our website at www.thermomegatech.com.